Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook soy curls. First, you'll want to rehydrate them. Place your desired amount of dry soy curls into a bowl. Cover them completely with warm water or vegetable broth. Let them soak for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they are fully softened and pliable. Once rehydrated, gently squeeze out any excess liquid. This step is crucial for achieving the best texture and allowing them to absorb flavors effectively in the next stages. Now that your soy curls are rehydrated, it's time to infuse them with delicious flavor. You can marinate them in your favorite sauce, like barbecue or teriyaki, for at least 15 minutes. Alternatively, rehydrating them directly in vegetable broth adds a foundational savory taste. Don't forget to toss them with dry seasonings such as smoked paprika, garlic powder, or onion powder. A splash of soy sauce or liquid smoke can also provide a wonderful umami boost, making them incredibly versatile. Once flavored, soy curls are ready for cooking. For a crispy texture, pan-fry them in a hot skillet with a tablespoon of oil until they turn golden brown. You can also bake them on a baking sheet at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway. For ultimate crispiness, try air frying at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. They also work wonderfully in stir-fries, absorbing the flavors of your sauce and vegetables beautifully. Soy curls are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless dishes. They make an excellent plant-based alternative to chicken in tacos, fajitas, or even a hearty sandwich. Try adding them to your favorite pasta dishes or grain bowls for a satisfying texture and a boost of protein. They also stand alone wonderfully as a main protein, served alongside roasted vegetables or a fresh, vibrant salad. Experiment with different seasonings and sauces to discover your favorite combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.